Short-form video group projects are a great way to cultivate a collaborative classroom. In groups of 4 to 5, I have my social psychology students create 2 short videos together over the course of a regular semester. I like this as a group project because I feel like it encourages students to share knowledge and skills. I see it as both a creative expression of the knowledge they've gained from the class, but also as a real opportunity for interpersonal growth. Because the project requires students to work together from video conceptualization through publication, it is my hope that it helps to foster empathy towards differing perspectives and life experiences. Even if you aren't teaching a social psychology course, group projects can still benefit students by building a classroom community as they learn how to work together. I'm someone who grades group work collectively, but you can also assign students specific project roles and grade their group work separately. I make it clear to students that they can always come to me if they're having issues with their group. I also really try to convey that contributing to the collective can look many different ways. While one student may be great on camera, another may have wonderful video editing skills. Want to learn how to ensure accessibility with short-form video projects? Stay tuned for video 5.